Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In my previous lecture, I have shown how to calculate future value of a single amount. Now, today I will show how to calculate future value of more than one amount if you deposit in the bank. I will show it in my copy. At first, I will write a question. Mr. Habib will deposit টাকা 1000, টাকা 2000, and টাকা 3000 in Sonali Bank, respectively in 3 years. Interest rate is 10%. Now how much money Mr. Habib will get from Sonali Bank after 3 years. Okay, I'm reading the question again. Mr. Habib will deposit taka 1000, taka 2000 and taka 3000 in Sonali Bank respectively in 3 years. Interest rate is 10%. Now how much money Mr. Habib will get from Sonali Bank after 3 years? Here nothing is written here, that's why actually about compounding nothing is written, that's why we'll consider it is yearly compounding. So if it is yearly compounding, our formula is FV equals to PV into 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, here I have written one formula, but there are 3 consecutive amount actually, and these 3 amount will be deposited in the bank in 3 years respectively. That's why we have to write 3 formula here. That's why we will write here PV1, then plus PV2 into 1 plus I to the power n plus PV3 into 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, here the PV1 is 1000 taka, because in the first year Mr. Habib will deposit taka 1000, and PV2 is taka 2000, because Mr. Habib will deposit taka 2000 in second year, and in the third year Mr. Habib will deposit taka 3000, that's why PV3 will be 3000. Now the problem is here with n. Actually, how will we write this n. So I'm writing here at first the PB1 equals to 1000, then 1 plus I equals to, as it is 10%, that's why it is 0.1. Now I'll write the value of n here. So if Mr. Habib deposit taka 1000 in the first year, and after 3 years if he withdraw this money, then this amount uh, will be in the bank for 3 years. That's why I have to write here 3. Again I am telling it, actually Mr. Habib will deposit taka 1000 in the first year, and after 3 years he will withdraw this money. That's why this amount will be in the bank for 3 years. That's why I am writing here 3. The value of n is here 3. In the second year, Mr. Habib will deposit taka 2000, then 1 plus 0.1, and if Mr. Habib deposits taka 2000 in the second year, and if he withdraw this amount after 3 years, then this amount or this 2000 taka will be in the bank for 2 years. That's why I am writing the value of n here is 2. Now PV3 equals to 3000, and 1 plus 0.1. Then in the third year Mr. Habib will deposit 3000, and this amount will be in the bank for only 1 year. That's why I am writing the value of n here 1. Now if you use the calculator, then easily you will get the value, or easily you will get the result. Now 1000 multiplied by, okay, 1000 multiplied by 1.1 power 3 plus 2000 multiplied by 1.1 power 2 plus 3000 multiplied by 1.1 power 1. Okay, now 1000 multiplied by 1.1 power 3 equals to 1.331. If you use calculator, then easily you will get this value, plus 2000 multiplied by 1.1 power 2 equals to 1.21, then plus 3000 multiplied by 1.1 power 1 equals to 1.1. Now if we multiply this amount, then we will get 1000 multiplied by 1.331 equals to 1331, then plus 2000 multiplied by 1.21 equals to 2420, plus 3000 multiplied by 1.1 equals to 3300. Now if we add this value, then here 1, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now 3 plus 4 equals to 7, 7 plus 3 equals to 10, carrying 1, 3 plus 2 equals to 5, plus 1 equals to 6, and carrying 1 equals to 7. Now our total value is 7051. If Mr. Habib deposit taka 1000 in the first year, then taka 2000 in the second year, and taka 3000 in the third year, and after 3 years if you withdraw this total amount, then he will get taka 7051. So easily we can understand if someone deposits more than one amount in the bank respectively in different years. In that case, if the amount is different in the, you have to add this formula. I have written three formula here because Mr. Habib will deposit three amount in three different years. That's why I am writing three formula, and I am writing this formula by adding it. Actually, in this way easily you can calculate the future value of a different amount deposited in different year. Actually, this is all for today. Inshallah, in our next class uh, I will show the different calculation of time value of money. Assalamu alaikum.